Many to explain everything. Good afternoon, everyone. We have with us Coach Theodore Whitmore after another win. Just want to inform everyone that there will be no one from Vere United to do an interview today. The coach and assistant coach are both declined. But we have Coach Theodore Whitmore and we open the floor for questions.
Coach, entering this game today, as I always say, it's another game, another preparation way to this game. What was the objective with this one?
Well, the objective always remains the same, and the objective is always to win. Every game we play, we wanted to win, and this is no different.
Apart in the game where you're shifting the Vere team, a lot of people just not penetrating through the middle, I think taking a shot. In the second half, I saw the team starting to that. Was the instruction from you on the sideline?
Well, no. I think the Vere team they played in a low block this afternoon. We were moving the ball, but we weren't moving the ball to affect the game. Hence we look like that. But to be honest with you, I think it's one of the worst games I've seen this Mount Pleasant team play in probably 10 or so games.
It's good to play the worst game on top of the 3 points.
Well, this is to say something about the team.
Quality,
Exactly.
Kimoli Bailey coming up with the is it bad?
Well, no, I couldn't say. The doctor would have to assess the injury and then we take it from there.
All right, Coach. As I said, 4-1 victory. You guys are keeping quite a lot of clean sheets. What is the point in continuing on that goal?
I would be somewhat disappointed how we concede the goal this afternoon, but such is the nature of the game.
We dominated a lot of the possession, as I said, even though it's not impressive performance. Can you give us one of the aspects of the performance that they say not necessarily impressive?
I think, as I said before, the intensity of the team this afternoon were a bit low. We didn't play with much intensity. So, again, as I say, that was a bit disappointing, especially in the first half.
On Mount Pleasant, on a historical run right now, how easy or how difficult it is to keep them motivated or continue?
Very difficult, but again, the guys know the objective, and the objective is always to win. So again, we don't want complacency, which we're not getting, and we just keep going.
We're 21 games into the season so far. Would you say Mount Pleasant has reached the peak as yet, or there's still more to come from this Mount Pleasant?
No, there's always more. We always keep asking for more, so there's always more to come.
Games are coming quick and fast. What is the issue of fatigue and recovery for Mount Pleasant so far?
Well, the recovery is important. If you look now, we start our recovery process down there, so recovery is very important.
Okay, because you can analyze both half of the game, but I realize first half you scored, the other team equalized. What did you from players for the one?
Well, again, the first half, to be honest, we were poor. We were poor. I think we were playing in our opponent's hand. I think the second half were a little bit better in terms of how we started to move around the ball, getting our wide players, getting crosses.
Yeah, that's it's one of the poorest games that you ever played. What are your expectations for the other game?
Repeat that?
What are your expectations for the other game coming up? Knowing that you're playing with a poor game and still won.
No, well, we just have to dust ourselves off and look forward to the next one. It's always the next one. So this is done and dusted. It's always the next one. The next one is Sunday.
And today is also a record-breaking day. Continue to break record.
Well, again, we have passed that. We have passed that. We're not concentrating on that. That is done again. Look forward to the next one. And the next one is always to get 3 points, always to win the game.
Coach Whitmore, good afternoon. Congratulations again on the victory. Good game, a good 3 points. My question is, how satisfying is it for you as a coach? See that there are so many players who have been called for the friendly game to know that the preparation here, giving them an opportunity to showcase their skills at the national level.
Very important question. And probably I think that is what contributed to the performance this afternoon, because I don't think we stepped up this afternoon. I think they were holding back because of the national call. But very pleased to see that we have 9 players in the national setup, and it could be more. So we are representing.
Yeah, man, I want to be a word to them as they go and see Kimberly Bailey, who was also called up, look like he sustained an injury. But when you being at the national level, what would be a word to them?
Well, they just have to go. Well, they just have to go out there and do what get them there. You know, how they play, they just have to relax, you know, maintain the composure, the discipline, and give it their best shot.
Also, at the under 17 level, we noticed that Owen jumped in today. Nolan also plays for the penalty. How important it is for them to get game time in the Premier League in preparation for under 17?
Well, it's very important when we have our youth players can step up at the national level, youth level. They are contributing at the club level. So it's for them now to go at the international level and make their mark.
Was it a difficult decision for you today in terms of Franco, who the last 2 games when they considered a substitution, they brought him on and in a few minutes he scored, but today he made 5 changes and he didn't come on. Was that difficult for you?
No, I wouldn't say difficult. If you look he wasn't named. Franco is off as well. He's one of the players off to play for his country as well. So that's why you see he wasn't involved this afternoon.
And finally, for me, did the underfoot condition affect how very fluid movements and keep it on?
No, we don't want to make any excuse for the performance this afternoon. You know, it's just one of those days, and we just have to live with that and move on.
Thank you.
All right, you're welcome.
What do you give the man match?
Ooh, it's a different. Again, Captain Fantastic again. Sule Makala will play an excellent game in midfield. Again, he happened to score. So for me, it would have to be Sule Makala.
Thank you very much.
All right.
Well, do we want to take a couple questions in the Harbourview game and we'll just embark on it Saturday? See that we'll have coach here already.
Saturday.
Not Saturday, so yeah, Harbourview game.
Yeah, so let me just go into that now. Harbour is struggling on the foot of the table.